Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a partition on your Windows computer, specifically Windows 11 in today's tutorial. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search button down in our taskbar. Type in disk management. Best result should go back with create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to right click on whatever drive or partition you want to remove and select where it says delete volume. Deleting the volume will erase all data on it. Back up any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? Select yes. And then at this point, if you want to extend another volume, you can. But the purpose of this video was just deleting that one volume, which we just accomplished. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.